everyone, welcome back to Greeter. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. If you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, liking my content. Okay, means a lot. And whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell for more updates. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick card reading is what happiness is coming your way. So yeah, I have 3 flowers, and flowers represent happiness whenever I see flower, because they give such a good smell, right? So they make us happy. I feel like flowers, whenever you get a flower, you feel happy, right? So I feel with these flowers, yeah, so that is going to be the topic. So what happiness is coming your way? Okay, so yeah, we have 3 groups over here. The first group is this red color flower. So group number 2, we have this blue one. And for group number 3, we have this purple one. So close your eyes, relax, and connect to a color or flower which calls to you intuitively. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, close your eyes, relax, and choose a flower that calls to you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. The timestamps will be provided in the description box, guys. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this red color flower, then let's see what is your message. So let's see what happiness is coming your way. So the first thing I felt is like, for this group there will be an energetic shift. So if you're feeling very low or demotivated, so there is going to be an energetic shift where you will be like full of energy. Okay, so if you are like low of energy, or if you don't feel like exercising, maybe in the coming days you will be starting exercising. You will have a routine, you will be making scheduling things, you will have the energy to do everything. Okay, so that is the first thing I felt. And with this lot of passion, so a lot of passion in your relationship. If your sex life was a little dull, maybe that will like be good. So something about that, I feel like there will be a lot of passion, a lot of love, a lot of romantic gestures coming your way. So I sense that. Yeah, I feel for many, if you're working on your root chakra, I feel you will be balancing that. And when we balance our root chakra, I feel like we have stability, right? We will not focus too much on the lack, not focus too much on our financial situations, because when it's imbalanced, we are worried about our finances, our relationships. So that is, I feel, for you guys, you will be balancing that. You will be taking one step at a time. You're not going to do everything at the same time. You will be relaxing at the same time, not worrying about future. I feel that your perception about life is also changing. You're not going to stress too much, but there will be passion. So if you are in a creative field, you will be very passionate to do your work, right? You will have the energy. If you're feeling so the good thing for some of you, it can be like the happy thing, that the thing that will make you happy is that if you're feeling creatively blocked right now, that block will be gone, and you will be like, oh, finally I'm getting a lot of ideas, and you will be again inspired to do your thing. So maybe if you're writers or something like that, if you do something creatively, whatever, sometimes there are a lot of works which need a little bit of creative thinking, right? So if you are into that creative thinking, you will get ideas, a lot of ideas, a lot of motivation, and you will move forward. Okay, yeah, I'm getting red roses also. Maybe for some of you, you might receive a red rose, and that will make you happy. Okay, so let's see what happiness is coming for my group number 1. What happiness is coming for my group number 1? What happiness? Okay, wow, stability. Yeah, I was talking about that, right? Root chakra balance. So maybe for some of you, you are like very much worried about your finances. Maybe you're holding on too tight on your finances. Maybe you're not spending too much because you're worrying what happens, if in the future, if I spend more, whether I will have enough. Maybe you're saving a lot. For some of you, maybe you're very worried about your finances, so that worry is gonna go. For some of you, it can be like, yeah, you will be secure in yourself. I feel like that. With this 4 of Pentacles, someone who is a miser, right? Who doesn't spend enough, he's so worried about his finances or something, but he's stable also, right? So maybe for you guys also, you are very you are very worried about your stability, your finances, or for your relationship also, you're holding on to your comfort place, so you're very worried. So it's like, I feel like this worry is gonna go. You will be not worried about your finances anymore, because you will see gain in that, and you will be like spending little bit of money. Okay, so don't worry. I feel, yeah, for some of you, yeah, you will be having enough. You will have enough to spend, to enjoy a good life. Okay, so you don't have to like, yeah, you don't have to save so much. Maybe you're over saving or something, or for some of you, you spend and at the same time you worry about money. Okay, so make a finance like a budget or something that will help you. But definitely with this Four of Pentacles, we are talking about happiness. So the happiness is that you will have enough to spend, you will have enough for everything, your money will be good, your finances will be good. That is what I feel like. Okay, and for some of you, you will be feeling secure in your relationship also. Maybe if you're not feeling secure, maybe you tend to hold to people, because sometimes we try too hard to be with people, because we have a fear that what if they go away from us, right? So the thing is, like, you're going to have a stable relationship, stable finances, stable career, or maybe you will not worry. If you have something, for right now I feel like you have something, but you're worrying that it will go away from you. But the happy thing is that in the future you will realize that this thing will not go away from you. Okay, this will be there with you, and even if it goes away, you will know how to deal with it. So yeah, you are going to be very stable and secure. That is what I feel like. Okay, so let's see what else. What is the next happy thing? So what will make you happy? And for some of you, I even feel like that someone is going to take care of you. Yeah, I feel like, look, this person is sleeping so nicely, right? He's not worried about anything, right? That you're going to have a very good sleep also. I feel like that. So yeah, you'll not worry too much, and that will make you happy. When we don't worry, we become happier, right? So yeah. So yeah, and I feel for some of you, there is someone who will take care of you, who will understand you for who you are. Okay, and that will make you happy. Maybe they will compliment you, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, so let's see what else for my group number 1. What will make them happy? What group of people will? What happiness is coming to them? What happiness is coming to my group number 1? Wait a second. It's coming for group number 2. Sorry, for group number 1. Okay, 6. Yes, you're moving forward. For some of you, maybe you will travel somewhere, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Finally, you'll be able to travel. Maybe you're very, or for some of you, it can be thing you're feeling very restricted in an area, right? You're not getting out of your comfort zone. You're very worried about this pandemic, and because of that, you're not able to travel. For some of you, in the future, you will be able to travel. You will be able to move places. Okay, for some of you, the happy thing is that, as I said, your mindset about money is shifting. Okay, you're not going to control things, you're not going to save too much, or you're not going to worry too much about things. You are going to let it go. Sometimes we tend to worry about our future finances. What if I don't save now? You might have, you want to buy something, you buy, and then you worry about the money. So that is the thing you are not going to do anymore in your life. I feel like that you're getting out of that fear. Okay, so yeah, slowly you're getting out of that. Okay, so for some of you, definitely, if you are planning to travel, you will be able to travel. Okay, don't worry. So yeah, for some of you, I even feel like that you want to move out from somewhere. Okay, you are in a place where you're feeling like you don't belong there, and the thing that will make you happy is that you will be able to shift from that place. Okay, maybe, yeah, that is also, I feel like. So let's see what else. Yeah, Yeah. I told you, with this hanged man, you're feeling very stuck somewhere, okay? And with this, mentally, maybe you're feeling stuck, or physically, you're feeling stuck that you cannot travel, you cannot meet friends, or you cannot go out, have fun, or maybe you're stuck in your career, or maybe you're very, creatively, you cannot think. Right now it's like nothing is moving forward, that kind of energy. So the good news is the thing that will make you happy is that you will move forward, okay? The stuck feeling is going to go and you will be able to move forward. Maybe travel, maybe mental travel, okay? So your perception about things are changing. Right now you have an idea about stability, what stability means to you, but I feel in the future your idea about that will also change. And when that idea will change, you will be more happy, okay? So yeah, it's all about, so for some of you it's even about your mentally you're changing, you're shifting your perception, and because of that you will become more happy. You'll become a more happy person, I feel like that. And for some of you, definitely, if you're stuck in a relationship, you will be moving on with this, you will be moving forward. Maybe for some of you, yeah, you will be moving on, you will be letting go of that relationship, maybe a career that you thought it was yours, but you're understanding that it's not yours because you're feeling very stuck there, and you will move on from that, and that will make you happy. Sometimes, resignation, sometimes breakup, I don't know if I'm getting this vibe for some of you. You will quit your job, but you will be very happy to quit that job and move on. You will not be sad at all. Right now I even feel like that. You're feeling stuck, and you don't have you're like, what if I move on with this job, if I quit, how I'll pay my rent or something like that. You're focusing too much on that, but I feel your perception is going to change, and you will be like, I'm going to quit this job, I don't care now, and you will just quit it and you will move forward and you will be happy. That is what I feel like. You will be happy and you will find a way for your stability. You're not going to stress about your stability, okay? And yes, divine is taking care of you, okay? And for some of you, you're moving on to a better relationship, better career, and that will make you happy. But definitely travel element is also there. So mentally also, if you have been going through a stuck period, feeling very depressed or feeling unmotivated, you're moving away from that, and that will make you happy, right? So yeah, so let's see what else for my group number 1. What will make them happy? What happiness is coming their way? Yeah, rest and rejuvenation. Finally you will be able to relax. Finally, for some of you, definitely maybe you will be able to take a vacation, go out in the forest, or maybe you will do hiking or enjoy the waterfall, and you will be happy, okay? So yeah, for some of you, you will go alone hiking or something like that. Maybe moving forward, that is what, moving forward, traveling, like meditating. This meditation will make you happy, or maybe you will find a meditation that makes you so happy. For some of you, and you will be going out, having fun, connecting to nature. You will be seeing that weird things. Sometimes I feel, you guys will be in energy where you will go out and see a little butterfly and you will be very happy. Yeah, small things are gonna make you happy. And we have this accelerated motion, again 8 of Wands energy, and we have 6. I was talking about movement. You're gonna move forward in your life, and that will make you happy. So if you're stuck, you're moving forward, and that will make you happy. So wherever in your life, whatever you're doing in your life, if you're feeling stuck, you're gonna move forward, okay? Traveling, mental, physical. So yeah, mentally you are moving forward. So let's see, and that is going to give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, we have 3 of Cups. So for some of you, finally you will be meeting your friends, and that will make you happy. Finally you will be feeling unstuck, and you will be celebrating with your friends, and you will be enjoying. Maybe for some of you, this will make you happy, right? For some of you, you have not spent quality time with your friends, and finally you will be meeting them, you will be chit chatting, and you will be enjoying with your friends, and that will make you happy. Or whatever it is, you're gonna celebrate things, you're gonna celebrate life. So yeah, you're gonna for some of you it is like you'll quit a job and you'll be happy, you'll be celebrating about it, you'll be moving on from a relationship and you'll be celebrating about it because that was a toxic relationship and finally you had the courage to move forward. Maybe for some of you, you were in that relationship or you were in that career because of the finances, and finally you're like letting go of that and you are moving forward. For some of you, I even feel like that you are getting into a better job and a better relationship in the future, and you will be celebrating. So for some of you, yeah, even though you will be losing things, you will be not worried about losing things, you will be celebrating that thing, because you know that when we hold on to things that is not good for us, it hurt more, right? Sometimes holding on hurts more than letting go, right? And for you guys, you will be letting go and letting it go, and you will be feeling so free that you will be for some of you, I even feel like you will be calling your friends, let's enjoy, and you will be meeting them and you will be talking and enjoying, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, so let's see what else, what happiness is coming for group number 1. Yeah, now I feel like this wondrous universe walk in beauty, because for some of you, I even feel like that you are learning more about law of attraction. You're understanding that life is not about, like, you maybe for some of you, you're understanding the concept of making your dream life, and that you're understanding that about lack mindset, you're understanding about how to work with law of attraction, you're understanding these things and you're working on that. And for some of you, I feel like you're manifesting things and you're like believing in the universe, and because of that you're able to let go of, right? And yes, this makes you happy. Law of attraction, you know, you're like this is what I feel like. You're working with law of attraction and things are happening for you guys, and now you're not worried about the things. You're like, yes, I can create my dream reality. I can create, even if this job goes, I can make more things for me, I can make something better for me. You have that confidence now, and because of that things are changing. You know, your inside is completely changing, and because of that I see that you might be manifesting a new relationship that is very passionate, that is very good for some of you. Yes, I see that is also happening. Very energetic relationship, you know, like very passionate relationship, something like, yeah, where there is a lot of talking, there is a lot of passion, you know, they're understanding you, you're understanding them. So yeah, you're working with universe, you're going to be full of life, I feel like that. Yeah, for some of you, you are in the stage of, you're very, I feel like right now, maybe for some of you, you are starting to let go of the things. You're working on that, so keep on working on that. When we let go, that is when things happen. So yeah, you're for some of you, yeah, I feel like this reading is telling you letting go is better than holding on to things that are not good for us, right? So yeah, I'm getting a rope. When we, you know, sometimes when we hold on to the rope very tightly, the rope, because of the rope our hand get hurts, right? But when we leave it, we are afraid of falling, but when we just leave it, we just fall down and then it's over, right? Then we don't have the pain, right? That is what I feel for you. Like this hangman, you're like, it's not a very easy place to be, but when you let go, you just fall, but then you're just like, okay, right? Even though you fall, you're okay, you will get up and then you will take the next step. That is what I feel like. And you are going to work with the universe, law of attraction, and you will see the magic. You're going to, for some of you, yeah, you will be like asking a sign from the universe, and you will be getting that sign, and you will be so happy. That will make you happy. So yeah, practice more gratitude. Yeah, I feel like that. You're gonna experience a lot of magical things also. Okay, so that is going to give you a lot of happiness. So yeah, mentally, physically, you're moving forward, and you're not going to be in your comfort zone anymore. And like what you thought is comfort, even though it's not comfort, right? Sometimes we feel like that is comfort, but that doesn't make us happy. So you're finally getting out of that, letting go of people, letting go of things that is not serving you, and moving forward to a life full of celebration, enjoying universe and working with law of attraction. That is what I feel like you are headed. Okay, you're trying that, you're thinking about it. So move on. This energy is good. Okay, so be happy for the small things that universe gives us. Be grateful for that. Okay, for some of you, I'm getting the Saturn energy, so you have a lot of wisdom also. You're gaining a lot of wisdom, you're learning a lot of things. So maybe sometimes you will get a lot of obstacles, but life is like that only. Yeah, who is Everyone has challenges, different challenges. Okay, so now I feel like you're not going to worry about challenges, because you know that you will be like, yes, even if challenges happen, yeah, for some time you will be like little bit worried, but you will get back. You know that you will get back. That kind of energy I'm feeling for you guys. So let's see the charms also for you guys. Okay, so let's see the charms. What happiness is coming for my group number 1? Okay, yeah. Law of it, I told you, you know, books, education, law of attraction, learning a lot of things and letting go. Yeah, letting go of the past. And again, movement. Oh, everything is like, what I said is like completely, yeah, confirming. Yeah, you're moving forward, you're going right. So keep on moving forward. Yeah, for some of you, you might take a travel through train, but lot of learning, lot of understanding about the universe, like journaling. For some of you, you'll be journaling, manifesting things. You'll be letting go of a lot of things. Yeah, magic again. You'll be believing in magic. You're going to survive. If any obstacles comes, you will survive. That is what I feel like. You're getting out of these kind of people who gossip about you, who are not so good, who just like blah blah blah. You know, you're getting out of these kind of people. You will have a lot of energy. What I told you, with this lot of energy, lot of excitement. The squirrel is like, he has so much of energy, just moves so fast, right? You will be like that. You will prepare everything. You will be always prepared. Okay, yeah, stick to the plan, guys. Keep on moving forward. So yeah, I feel for some of you, you are thinking about letting go something go, and just go with it, because there is so much more to like, there's so much more to know, right? To dig, you know, for some of you, dig deeper about the law of attraction, or dig deeper. If you're learning something, just dig deeper. CD. Okay, maybe some of you have a CD or something that you need to watch. So go ahead and watch it. Maybe there is some information for you there. So let's see. Or maybe you have a meditation CD or something. I don't know. Maybe something about CD. But nowadays we don't use. Maybe you have a USB. Maybe there is some content there. Anyways. So let's see. What are the letters for you guys? What happiness is coming for you? Okay, we have O, we have F, we have G, we have G again, we have S, T, GST. Maybe you're worried about GST or something, I don't know. Because, yeah. Don't worry about these kind of things. You will be okay, I feel like. Sometimes we worry so much about, you know, sometimes media shows something and we worry so much about things that are not so important also, but we worry about our future, of thinking about that, what will happen. But you know, at the end, we will be able to survive anyways. So just don't worry. That is what I feel like. Okay, so let's see any words. Okay. Tan. Okay, maybe you will go to a summer place or something for vacation. Okay, maybe, yeah, I don't know. Then or maybe you will get tan because it's hot. Or maybe yes, you will go out in the sun, finally getting out. Then sit. You have a sit. Go, yeah, go sit. Go sit. Yeah, go for it. And yeah, and your hard work will pay off. Okay, guys, don't worry about it, right? With this, and that is what I'm getting. Success with hard work. Yeah, I'm getting. Okay, this is a very specific message. An year ago, you manifested something that is coming true. Okay, so that is very specific message for some of you. Yeah, a year ago you were writing something about law, you were using law of attraction, or you might be scripting something a year ago. That will manifest now. And for some of you, if you have been manifesting something right now, in a year it will manifest. Okay, so yeah, keep on moving forward with your plans. Yeah, keep on moving forward, you're moving on. Okay, so this thing will make you happy. So if you're planning on a new job, keep on moving with the idea, because that will make you happy. No fear, no more fears, guys, no more self-doubts, because you're gonna enjoy. Okay, so that's it for yeah, for some of you, no, don't stop. I'm getting that. Don't stop, keep on moving forward. Okay, yeah, fog. So yeah, right now you're feeling very confused, you don't know where you're going, right? I'm getting Gaia meditation. Use Gaia meditation. There is a channel, I guess, you know, maybe for some of you, yeah, Gaia meditation. I feel like YouTube has a channel. Maybe you need to watch that channel and do some meditations, right? So yeah, the fog is going to clear up, your confusion is going to go, because you're going to dig deeper, you're going to learn more things, and yeah, things are going to change for you guys. Okay, so don't stop, keep on moving forward, because these things will make you happy. Bye bye, take care, guys. Group number 2, if you choose this blue color flower, then let's see what happiness is coming your way for group number 2. So with this blue color, what I feel like that for some of you, you will be saying something what you were not able to say. Okay, and that will make you happy. For some of you, you're lifting a weight off. Okay, you're maybe for some of you, you wanted to say something to someone, and you will finally say it, and that will make you happy. Like sometimes what happen, we keep that to ourselves, and it makes us, it doesn't, you know, sometimes if we want to say something to someone, and at the same time we are not able to say it to someone, we feel so so bad, right? We feel a weight, right? So you're gonna say that to this person, or yeah, I don't know, yeah, you will communicate something to someone, and that will give you a lot of like the heavy weight. You will be lifting that heavy weight of your chest, and you will feel happy. So that is what I feel like. You will be communicating something to someone. Maybe for someone, you will be like, you like someone, and you will be like finally confessing that, and because of that you will feel good. Okay, yeah. Or maybe for some of you, I even feel, let's see what the cards say, that you will get that back, you know, that maybe for someone it will be like they will say yes. Okay, maybe for some of you, you want to propose someone, and you will be like finally doing it, and they will give you yes. Okay, so something like that, and that will make you happy. So something that was bothering you, you're gonna take it out of your chest. Okay, or maybe for some of you, you wanted to confront someone, and you will be like confronting them, and you will be feeling like proud of yourself, and you will be happy about it. Okay, you will be speaking your heart. That is what it's. So let's see what happiness is coming your way. What happiness is coming your way? So group number 2, what happiness is coming there? Okay, what happiness is coming? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, that's too much. Wait. A second, guys. I'll just take two cards, just blow on the floor. Okay, thank you for waiting. Okay, so let's see. So what happiness is coming for my group number 2? What happiness is coming for group number 2? Okay, so 9 of Cups and 7 of Cups. Wow, cup energy. So yeah, for some of you, you were, as I said, you were like standing your ground. You're fighting, like you're fighting for yourself. You're believing in yourself, and finally, what you were believing, that will come true, or something like that. Yeah, some of you have been standing your ground. You have been fighting for your own rights, or something like that. Yeah, you have been looking at the bigger picture. You have been, you know, for some of you, you have been working on something, and even though it was not working, you were trying your hard. You were like just yeah, standing your ground and just fighting for that. And yeah, maybe for some of you, it can be relationship. You thought that that is best for you, and you were like fighting for it, and finally you will be successful in it. Maybe for some of you, what you have been fighting on, it is going to give you success. Yeah, some wishes coming true, and that will give you happiness. You have been fighting for this thing. You have been standing for this thing. You have been working hard for this thing. right? You have been believing in yourself. For some of you, I feel many people opposed you, don't do this, don't do this, and then too you were like, I want to do this, and you were like, I will do it and I'll make it happen. And I feel like you will make it happen, and that will give you a lot of happiness. So yeah, so that is what I feel like. You have been wishing for this thing, you have been trying your best, but there were people around you who were discouraging you, or were saying that you cannot do it. They were coming on to you, and they were making you stressful, but you were like, no, I'm not gonna give up, I'm gonna try my hardest, and I will do this. And if you are in this space where you are like fighting for yourself, or you want to do something, and you have been like telling people that I will do it, I will make it, and you're like not taking other people's discouragement, and if you're in that space, you're just doing that what you're doing, so keep on doing that, because I feel you will have the success. You will reach a point where you will be like, yes, I did it, yes, my wish is complete. Yeah, that will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, so that is what I feel like. Yeah, 6. Yeah, okay, 6 of Pentacles, right? So for some of you, you are not giving up on a relationship, and finally that relation, maybe for some of you, yeah, okay, maybe for some of you, you are, yeah, as I said, you were standing your ground, you were like crushing on this person, and finally you will take, maybe you told your friends about this, that you have a crush on this person, and your friends told that no, this person will never say yes, and you're like, no, anyways, I'm gonna do it, and you will do it, and then this person will give you the same energy, like this person also likes you back, and you will be like so happy about it. Okay, so this is what I feel like. So something you have been fighting for, something you want to do it, but at the same time people are telling you that you will not be able to make it, but you keep on doing it, you keep on believing in yourself, and you keep on moving forward with that plan, and that plan will become successful. For some of you, it can be about finances, that will receive good finances, wealth. You have been working on your craft or something, the people told that this thing will not give you enough money, but definitely you will get that money, and you will be so fulfilled, you will be so happy, like your wish is going to complete. For some of you, I even feel like that you will be celebrating alone. Even though you will be celebrating alone, you will be happy about it, maybe because people didn't believe in you, and there might be people who will not be happy for you, but you will be happy within yourself. Okay, yeah, there will be one person who will be happy for you. I feel like that. Maybe for some of you, you will be letting a lot of friends go, okay, because maybe they were jealous of you, or they were envious of you. Yeah, you will be letting go of the people who were not good to you, and you will be making new relationship that will fulfill your heart. So that is going to make you happy. So something you have been fighting for will come to an end, and the end will be good. Okay, that will make you happy. Okay, you're gonna if you have been working so hard, you're gonna receive it back. So the balance is going to be there. Okay, in relationship also, in career also. And so if you have been if you have been working on a wish, or one of your goals, you have been trying hard, even you have failed many times, you were like, I want to do it, and you have been moving forward with your plans, yes, you will receive it, you will receive your wish, you will feel fulfilled, there will be balance, and that will make you happy. Okay, so yeah, there you have gone through a lot of fears. Yeah, we have devil. Maybe there were people who were trying to control you, there were people who told you that you're not good enough. Yeah, but you stand your ground, and you will make it happen. Okay, and that will make you happy. So yeah, keep on working on that, guys, because I see with these two cards you will get it what you want. If you're putting that good intention to the universe will give you back tenfold. Okay, so yeah, if it is true to your heart, don't give up, because this thing will make you happy in the future. So let's see. Yeah, keep on working, keep on moving forward, don't stop because of other people, because I feel for this pile there are people, for some of you, you might be speaking to them, you will be telling that you didn't support me, when you will when you will win this thing, when you will get your wish fulfilled, you will be like confessing them to them that yes, you didn't help me, you discouraged me, and you'll be feeling so good about it. You're like, yes, for some of you it will be like taking your weight because you had that grudge, and you will be like letting it go. So yeah, you're gonna move forward in your career. You're gonna move forward because look at that positive movement forward. So things are gonna move forward for you guys. If you are fighting for something, if you have been believing in yourself, even though people are against you, you have been believing in yourself and moving forward with this plan. Just keep on moving forward because yes, it will give you the success. What you're giving it to the universe, you will receive it back. So yeah, your success will be, your hard work will not go in vain. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Your wish will be fulfilled. So let's see what else. One more card because what happiness is coming your way. Even though you will travel alone, you will be happy. That is also I'm getting for some of you. Yeah, I told you, maybe for some of you in a relationship, you will get it back, you will receive that relationship, you will have this one person. For some of you, for some of you, I even feel like this goal you will achieve it. Maybe you will travel alone, maybe you will go alone in this path, but you will be happy. So don't worry to be alone. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like even though you will be celebrating alone, you will be happy. Yeah, because you have worked hard for this. Yeah, harmony, right? Look at this, two cards. We have Six of Pentacles and we have Lovers card and the number 6. So harmony is coming into your life. For some of you, you're definitely, as I told, this person, if you have been fighting for this person, if you have been winning this person's heart or something like that, you will be coming together. Maybe for some of you, you might be marrying, you might be putting out that proposal and you will get a yes and you will be marrying this person. So maybe for some of you told that I really feel like that some of your friends or family told that you don't do this because they will not say yes or something like that, but you did it and you will receive your wish. Okay, so there is a lot of harmony coming. You'll be making better decisions, and yeah, you'll be communicating your truth, and because of that you will feel so good, so happy. So yeah, good relationship I'm getting here. For some of you, definitely getting married also, or maybe meeting with a soulmate, or maybe you will build a relationship with a friend. Okay, maybe you had a lot of bad friends and now you're going you will be manifesting good friends in your life, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, so let's see what this deck has to add to this. What is the happiness coming for my group number 2? Yeah, choosing all is possible. Yeah, standing your ground. And you're like this with the 7 of Wands, as I told. Yes, you are like, I'm going to do this. This career, maybe for some of you, your parents will be like, this career will not give you anything. You're like, no, I want to do this. This is what I want to do it. And you'll be fighting and you'll be like, this is what I want and I'll be doing this. So for some of you, you'll be like communicating it to your parents that I'm going to do this and I'm going to show you that I'll win. And you will win, right? So your wish is that. So just remember, all is possible. So don't lose hope because of other people, right? So this reading is giving you like just go forward because your energies are good. So keep on be in this energy, guys. Like, don't give up on your plans, on your goals because of other people. Just communicate your truth, because this path will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment, a lot of like relationships that will give you back. Maybe for some of you, you have been in this kind of relationship where you were the one giving, but you are not receiving anything back. But that is changing. What you give, you will receive. So in a career also, if you have been working but you didn't receive anything, you will be receiving it back because you're standing your ground, you're moving forward. There is so much positivity coming here, and this will make you happy. Okay, so let's see the charms for you guys, charms and letters for group number 2. So what happiness is coming for my group number 2? Wow, connection to the spirit. Yeah, communication. Okay, for some of you, yeah, definitely you will be communicating. A lot of communication ideas is also coming for you guys through spirit. Okay, so if you are in a creative field, you will be getting a lot of ideas. So take that idea. Yeah, look at that. You have this lizard also, and you have this butterfly. So things are transforming for you guys. You're getting out of this caterpillar stage, and you're becoming a butterfly. Yeah, when the butterfly comes out, comes, the caterpillar has to die, right? So yeah, you will be letting go of a lot of things, but you eventually you will be happy. Okay, so yeah, you're regenerating, you're growing as a new person, and this new person, you'll be loving who you are becoming and getting here. So yeah, in the past you were not like that. You're completely transforming yourself, and the new you will be happy, and you will be happy for the new you. You will be like, yes, I did it. Yeah, I have overcome so much, and you'll be courageous, and you'll be like so proud of yourself. That is what I feel like, right? So you, it's about you. Yeah, yeah, momentum. I'm getting you moving forward, okay, with this football. Yeah, for some of you, maybe you want to play football or something, you want to make this as a career, and because of that other people think that you will not be able to make it, and eventually you will be able to make it. I don't know, that's a very specific thing. Yeah, for some of you it can be music, in the area of music, right? But music help you. So when you use meditation music, you get a lot of insight, a lot of ideas. So use meditation music, chanting, that will help you. Look, you're very, very protected. You're divinely guided. You're very divinely guided. You're protected. You get a lot of ideas. There's a lot of wisdom. There's a lot of keys opening up. There is a lot of keys. So yes, you will be able to open new doors, right? So yeah, that is what I feel like. A wish is coming true that will make you, that will give you a lot of happiness. That is also I feel like for group number 2. So let's see what the letters had to add. I have to add. ANO CN. You can. Don't take it otherwise. You can. You will. Okay. Sap. No, yeah, don't stop like that. I got that for group number 1 also, but yes, you can, you will. No, don't stop. Okay. People say, maybe people are there telling you, you can't. No, that's wrong. You can. Okay. Anything else here? So that's it, my group number 2. If you have any words that calls to you, take that. So yeah, CANSAPONOAU. Okay, so yeah, that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose this purple color flower, then let's see what happiness is coming your way. So for some of you, I feel like spirituality will give you a lot of happiness. Because of spirituality, you will be changing your lifestyle or something like that. You will be making a lot of changes in your diet. You will be making a lot of changes in your home life, and because of that, your relationship will be good, and that will make you happy. You will be like you'll be happy for every small thing you get in your life. You will be very, very grateful for every small thing, and the divine connection will make you happy. I feel like that. You'll be very, very connected to the spirit. You will get, whenever you feel like that you lack something, you will just connect to spirit, and you will know your answers at the same time. At the moment you will get your answers. Whenever you're confused, you will just sit with yourself, and you will get your answers, and because of that you will be happy. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel. You will be connecting more to your spirituality. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that with this purple color. You will be taking your meditation very seriously. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm getting this. Like you will be doing something. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you will be reading a book about decluttering or something like that, and yeah. And you will be doing that, you will be applying that, or feng shui or something like that also. Maybe in your home you will be doing that, and because of that things will change. I feel for some of you, you will be buying a lot of spiritual stuff, and you will be very, very happy. Maybe you will be decorating your home with a lot of spiritual items. I'm getting, maybe you will buy like a lot of crystals, or yeah, I'm getting that vibe, like a lot of candles, decorating your home, having a very spiritual style, and you will be very happy, because your home will give you that relaxation. For some of you, your home will make you happy. So whenever you enter your home, you will get that positivity, and you'll be happy. So if you're planning to buy a new home, maybe for some of you, you will move into a new home that will give you a lot of positivity, and you will be decorating your home. For some of you, you will be changing something in decor, you will be changing, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, you will be changing your style. Maybe for some of you, you will be upgrading your wardrobe. Okay, so something about that. You'll be happy in yourself. That is what, yeah, you'll be happy from within. Yeah, this is deep. Okay, so let's see what is going to make my group number 3 people happy. What happiness is coming for group number 3? What happiness is coming for group number 3? Oh yeah, you're getting out of this fear-based energies. You're getting out of this devil, right? For some of you, maybe, yeah, as I said, you're changing a lot of patterns of yourself, right? For some of you, your behavior that was not good for your, sometimes our own procrastination, our self-sabotage behaviors that we have, you're breaking that pattern and you're moving into more spiritual side, right? You're letting go of your fears, you're working on that, right? That is what is shifting in you. You're letting go of this fear, you're letting go of your addictions, you're letting go of the relationship that is controlling you, you're letting go of limited beliefs, right? You're letting go of so many things. As I told you, you're getting in alignment with yourself, you're connecting with your higher self more, you're connecting with spirit more, and because of that, you're getting out of this phase. For some of you, you are working on it. Keep on working on it. Yeah, definitely in the future you will be out of this devil energy. No one will be able to control you. But if you are in a narcissistic relationship, you will be out of that and you will be happy, right? So yeah, you will not be feeling suffocated in your own home, right? If you're feeling suffocated in your own home right now, you will be out of that place and you will be in a place where you will feel loved, where you will decorate your home by the things you love. Okay, so that is what I feel like. You're breaking your own patterns, your own behavior patterns that is not helping you, and you know it. For some of you, you are making that change. For some of you, you might start a new diet, you might start exercising. For some of you, I even feel like that you're gaining weight at the same time you're not doing anything and you're like feeling bad about it, and that is what you're breaking. You're like finally making a decision to start doing something, right? And letting go of that fear. If you want to apply to something, a new job or something like that, and you're like worrying that you will not get it because you're making the assumptions before even applying, right? Sometimes we do that. We make like, I'm not fit for that, so I'm not going to go and do it anyways, right? So you're like letting go of that thing and you're like just applying, changing things. Something inside of you is definitely shifting, and that will give you a lot of happiness. So this thing is shifting, right? Yeah, wow, that's beautiful. So let's see what happiness is coming for my group number 3. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, so if you have been working on something, if you have been planting that seeds, if you have been being patient with yourself and with others, if you have been patient with your own body, if you have been like dieting, or if you have been doing exercises, if you have been trying to lose weight, yes, you will be able to do it. So don't let this fear creep in. Let go of that fear, because I feel like that this is the only thing that is like that is bad for you guys, the fear. Okay, for some of you, it's like even the fear of the unknown. You have been planting the seeds, you have been working hard, and at the same time, maybe you're impatient. For some of you, I even feel like that you become impatient. Don't be impatient, guys. Nothing is going to be going. What is yours. Remember that. And yeah, you have been planting seeds, you have been working hard, you have been patient, so keep on following that, because your work will be rewarded. Okay, so don't let this fear creep in. Okay, and yes, when you will get that reward, you will be so happy. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting, for some of you are like confused whether I'm going correct, whether I am on the right path. Yes, you're doing good, don't worry. This is all your self-doubt that creeps in, right? So let go of that. Yeah, you will be happy. That for some of you, yeah, you will be happy that how courageously you waited, how courageously you did this, how, you know, it took a long, for some of you it is taking a longer time, right? You want, sometimes as humans we want things very quickly, but things doesn't happen very quickly, so you have to wait. And when you will get this result, you will be like so proud of yourself that yes, I did it, I waited patiently. And maybe for some of you will understand that this happened because you had to learn that lessons of patience, right? Because when we experience, then only we learn. So we read a lot of books, we understand that concept, but at the same time when we don't experience, you know, we will not understand that much, right? So yeah, sometimes we need to experience things. So understand this waiting thing, this is a part of your life lesson. So don't get discouraged, because you will be happy that you did this, you planted the seeds and it's growing. Okay, so let's see what happiness is coming for your way. Look at that, and look at this. I told you about spirituality, and the high priestess is in the back, and the frog talks about prosperity. So hop away from that negative things, because the frog hops away, right? So hop away. Yeah, that is what I feel. Wow. And you have the 7 of Pentacles, and then what comes? 10 of Pentacles. So you have been patiently waiting for something. You have been watering the plants. You know, some of you literally it can be like that, but definitely you have been planting your ideas. You have been working on your relationship. You have been working on yourself. You have been doing a lot of things, right? This is all gonna grow. This is all gonna give you a lot of happiness. It is, this 7 of Pentacles is going to be this next stage is this 10 of Pentacles, and 10 of Pentacles is all about good family life, good finances. There will be so much that you will have. Financially you will have enough, you know, family wise you will have enough, right? So yeah, right now you are learning the lessons. You will get that, guys, and this thing will make you happy. For some of you, so if you have been planting a business, or if you have been doing some business, if you have been working on that, keep on working on it. Right now maybe you will not see the results. Right now fears creep in, right? Oh my god, what if this business idea will not turn the way I want, whether this will give me that fulfillment or not. Don't worry, enjoy that path, because this will give you so much of fulfillment. 10 of Pentacles, for some of you, you're even building a legacy, right? So finances wise, family wise, relationship wise, whatever you're planting, whatever you're doing, if you're doing that hard work, keep on working, be determined, keep on moving forward, guys, because this will give you so much of happiness. Yes, it's big for you guys. Yeah, for some of you, you are shifting so much inside of you. You're following that spiritual path. You're becoming a better person each day. Keep on doing that, because there's so much. But yeah, sometimes we have to learn the lessons. Remember that. So sometimes things might not be so easy, but don't lose hope, because these things will make you happy. So remember, this reading is like telling you, be happy every day, because there's so much you will be grateful for in the future. Okay, so let's see what else to add to this. You're very intuitive. Trust your intuition. Trust your intuition, guys, because that will give you don't trust your fear. Let go of your fear. This is only the problem I feel for you guys. Yeah, focus on your spirituality. If you want to make an altar, just go and do it. Okay, do chanting. That will help you. I'm getting the Stream Brise mantra. If you're working on your finances, use that mantra, Lakshmi mantra. Oh my god, I got chills when I told that. So maybe you need to use that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let's see what happiness is coming for my group number 3. So your finances will be set. Okay, don't worry. Your family will be set. You will be so happy in your family life. That is what I feel. You will be mother. Maybe some of you, if you want to become parents, you will become a parent, right? And your family, you will be giving everything. For some of you will be even fulfilling some of your family wishes. Okay, yeah, lot of happiness here. So yeah, your family will give you a lot of happiness. You will give a lot of happiness to your family. So that is all coming. Just be patient, guys. So yeah, we got the waiting game. I was talking about, yeah, it's just a matter of time, right? So yeah, it's just a matter of time. Just sometimes you need time to grow, right? Sometimes when we plant the seeds, look, we have this, like, this is the root. Sometimes the roots needs to be like strong. When the roots are strong, the tree will be strong, right? So yeah, the tree will not fall. So for some of you, I feel like that you're making your foundation strong right now. So it's little bit of a waiting game right now, but it's okay. When you'll make it big. I feel for group number 3, it's big. It's not something small. So this is going to be a big happiness. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. So don't lose hope. Be balanced, okay? So let's see one more card. Yeah, you need to emotional withdrawal. So for some of you, you need to let go of that things, let go of the fear, let go of that mentality. For some of you, you need to work on your sometimes we have that lack mentality. You need to work on that. For some of you, literally, if it's possible, connect with ocean, go out, because ocean, with this water, I'm getting the intuition. You connect with your intuition more. For some of you, we can manifest using water. I'm getting that. Maybe you need to do that, or maybe you need to start your day. How you start your day? You start your day with drinking coffee? No, don't do that. Start your day with drinking water. I'm getting here, okay? And for some of you, you can manifest using water. For some of you, need to let go of this impatience. I'm getting, let go of this fear, let go of self-doubt. Just meditate and let go of that. This is the only thing that I think you need to work on. Be more on the spiritual side and keep on working on the plans you're working, because you have talent, okay? So yeah, spirit will give you the ways. Spirit will give you, the doors will be open when you doors will open when you need them to be open, okay? So when spirit wants, they will be open. So sometimes we want it, right? So it's not about want. When you need, that will be open. So that is what I feel like, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I am feeling like one more card for you guys. Yeah, focus on your confidence. Be confident. Whatever you do, be confident about it, okay? Don't lose hope. Don't lose confidence, because sometimes we have setbacks in our life. That doesn't mean that you will not achieve your goals. So don't take that setbacks to, like, yeah, sometimes we take this setbacks too much, right? Don't take too much, because yeah, sometimes we go backwards. Sometimes we take 5 steps forward, then we have to come 2 steps backward. It's okay, you will reach. Anyways, you will reach. Even though you come back, you will reach the goal. So don't worry. Don't take too much. Yeah, base chakra. Work on your base chakra for some of you. Yeah. For some of you, I even feel like that because of your past, you have this kind of trust issues or something like that. Maybe financial lack mindset. Maybe in your family, there were finances problem, or people used to say that money doesn't grow on trees or something like that. You have, sometimes you feel like that you cannot make enough money. You need to work on that mindset. You need to change. Work on your base chakra, guys. For relationship wise also, I feel like that for some of you feel like that you are not meant to have a long-term relationship, because you might have seen your parents fighting or something like that. So you need to work, because for you guys it's possible. You're meant to have a good family life, okay? So don't let that fear of yours, childhood fears or something like that, because of that, don't because you're meant to have this, so don't let that happen. So work on your base chakra. Let go of that feelings, right? With 8 of Cups, let go of that fear mentality, let go of that lack mentality, because you are enough. That is what I'm getting. You're enough and you'll make it. So don't worry. So let's see. Your intuition is so strong, so listen to it. Read the books. If you're called to read a book, just go and read that book. For some of you, I feel like you have a book you want to read, but you're like procrastinating. Don't do that. Just go and take that book and grab and just read it. Hydrate yourself more, guys. Okay, let's see what else for group number 3. What happiness is coming your way? Yeah. For some of you, I even feel like you're healers. You will heal so many people at the same time. You will be healing yourself. So yeah, definitely you're letting go of your past. And when we let go of our past, when we heal, we become more happier, right? So yeah, you're healing. You're healing all these fears, all this lack mindset. You're healing and you're becoming a new strong person. Okay. I'm feeling like taking one more for you guys. I don't know why, because yeah, follow your bliss, keep on moving forward. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, solitude again, spiritual stuff is coming out. Follow your spirituality, follow your own intuition. We have this owl here, right? Your own wisdom, follow your own wisdom. If you need to learn that book, go ahead. Here we have books here both, right? Something about books, something about taking, understanding how about spirituality, something about that. Maybe a spiritual book you need to learn, you need to read. Maybe you know that you want to read this, but you have been not reading it. Maybe it's time. Okay, so yeah, you're going to heal your present, and you're going to move forward with your goals and ideas, and keep moving forward, because you will reach your destination. So follow your bliss. You're meant to follow your heart. You're meant for that. You're not meant to follow other people footpaths. You're meant to make your own path. Okay, and that will give you a lot of happiness. So yeah, a lot of fulfillment. You are meant for so much more. You're so much more than you think. Okay, you maybe for some of you, you're putting yourself in a box. No, don't put yourself in a box, because you're meant to have so much more than that you can imagine. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what the charms have to add for group number 3. Let's see. What happiness is coming for my group number 3. Yeah, paint your colors with your favorite colors. Okay, don't paint with other people's favorite colors, because you are meant to fly high. Again, unicorn, magical stuff, right? You have 2 unicorns. And again, we have this. For some of you, you might be literally an artist or something. Just paint your colors, draw this unicorn, enjoy the life, right? So yeah, a lot of magic. If you believe in magic, you will see magic. You are meant to fly high. All your wishes will come true. So yeah, look, interestingly, you got 2 colors and you've got 2 unicorns. And I have so many charms, right? Wow. So yeah, some unicorn is all about magic. So a lot of unique possibilities. There is a lot of limitless possibilities for you guys. So yeah, if one door closes, don't worry, because a lot of doors will open for you. Spirit will open. Don't worry, you're so connected to the spirit. So paint your colors with your own favorite colors. Sorry, yeah, what I said, I'm sorry for that, but you understood, right? Okay. So yeah, fairies, they're telling you to enjoy life, let go of that fear, because you don't have to worry about things, because spirit is with you. They are protecting you. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, again you got, like, we have frog again, right? So yeah, hop away from that negativity and just read a book, chill out. Then we have W. Why you're stressing right now, guys? Chill out, everything is okay. Enjoy life. That is what spirit is saying. You're meant to be happy. You came here for being happy. Okay, don't worry too much. Okay, so yeah, chop wood I'm getting. So maybe for some of you, literally do some cleaning in your house. Okay, when we clean, organize things, we also, I told you about decluttering or something like that. So if you can do it, that will be very good for you guys. So let's see what else for group number 3. What happiness is coming. We have R, A. For some of you, with this unicorn, I feel like that you will be, you will be seeing some magic in the universe, and you will be so happy to see that. You will be like, wow. For some of you, you will get some confirmations about, something will come. You will, through your intuition or something, you will see as a sign that will confirm things, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, some confirmations are coming, some clarity you will get, and that will give you a lot of happiness or something like that. So yeah, E, O, a lot of O's. Look at that. Why a lot of O's? Maybe you're like, oh, you're doing like that, or I don't know. Because we have O again here. E-L. Yeah, Archangel Raphael. Yeah, he's working with you. He is with you. I feel that presence. Archangel Raphael, he's helping your heart heal, to heal that past for some of you. Yeah, I feel like that. Maybe in the past you have gone through a lot and he's healing you. Yeah, we have this healing energy also, right here. Yeah, you're healing yourself, you're healing your past, you're clearing your past, you're healing your present and moving forward, right? So yeah, Archangel Raphael, call upon him. Okay, we have M, we have U. Why there is so many O's? I don't know. Mud. Yeah, you are feeling like you're stuck in the mud right now, but don't struggle. Don't struggle. When you struggle, then you will not be able to get out. Don't struggle, guys. Just keep slowly move forward, and you will be out. Okay. So that is the thing. You don't have to struggle, right? Because everything is good. Don't struggle. Just heal your heart. Be happy, guys. Yeah, for some of you, you're feeling like lost or something. You lost something, but even if you lost something, you will. Yeah, maybe for some of you, you have been working on something and you have been putting that effort, and you're not getting the results you want. Remember, for I feel for this pile, everything is divinely guided. Even though you feel like that you lost something right now, in the future it will be like, yeah, that is why I didn't get that, because because you will get more than that, what you expected. That is what I feel like, because as I said, with this 10 of Pentacles, you're meant to build a legacy. You're not meant for small things, right? So yeah, that is what it is. Okay, anything else? Okay, so yeah, you will, you will win. I'm getting, you will win, don't worry. Okay. Connect with God. Yeah, you're so connected with God. Definitely, yes. You're connected with the divine. There is there is a lot of connection there. He is with you. He is divinely guiding you. Don't worry. Okay, so that's it. Group number 3. If it's resonated, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye bye. Take care.